Hello everyone, welcome back to Knowledge Elevator. My name is Tariq Rahim, and in this quick tutorial I am going to show you how you can create a perfect animation video in Canva in just few minutes. So when you get logged into Canva, you can see there is lots of options, but you will click on videos, that is below the search bar, and then click on video landscape like this, and then you can change the color according to your requirement. Okay, and then after color selection I will proceed this further. On the left panel there is element, I will click here, and then you can see there is a search bar. I will search, and after that there is multiple options. I will click on, then click on graphics, and you can see there is again multiple shapes, so I'm going to select this one, and let me adjust a little bit here. Okay, so after adjustment I will proceed it further. Again I will adjust the color a little bit, so there is a multiple color, but I will choose a white one because this is the color that I want to add. I will upload the picture that I want to add in my animation video. So the picture that I am going to use here, that I already uploaded here in my Canva, so that will be in your Canva gallery if you upload here. So then I will adjust the picture a little bit more. So after adjustment, on the left panel there is element, in the search bar I will search strawberry, and I will select this one. So, and then I will add layers. Okay, so now I am going to adjust layers that will be in our animation video. According to that, our final video will show. The most important thing is layer adjustment. We have to adjust all these layers perfectly, and I will duplicate it. And after duplication, again I will adjust the color. So I will add this from white to pink. I will change it. Now I am going to add text here. So on the left panel, again below elements there is text, and I will choose. So you can choose different style and font size that you want. So I'm going to write here strawberry, and again there is different font size, text, everything that you want to change, you can do it from here. There is lots of diversity when it comes to style and all these things. So let me adjust text a little bit more. Okay, so I write here strawberry juice, and then I am going to adjust the font size a little bit more. So I will change the color from black to white, and it will look like this now. Again I will adjust the layers. The most important part in animation video is layer adjustment. This is really something important, and I will duplicate the page, and after page duplication I'll proceed it further. So let me adjust the can a little bit more. And then icon of strawberry. So I will color icons of strawberry and the can, and then I will adjust the strawberry juice text, and then you will see how the final animation video will look like. So you can add transition according to your interest, and that will appear in your video. After text adjustment, icons adjustment, and transition, I will proceed it further. So when I play, it will look like this. So you can adjust duration again, and let me adjust animation a little bit more. There is animation right here in the upper panel. When you click here, so then there is lots of options that you can see on the left side. So you can adjust animation. So what you want, you can do it from the left side. There is multiple style available over there that will change the shape and animation of your video. If you think that your video is ready and now you want to save, just click on share, and then there is multiple format available over there, but you have to download an MP4. Just click here, it will take a while, and then your video will be downloaded, and then it will be the final output of your work. So this is the final look. If you like the video, hit the bell icon and subscribe my channel. See you in next video.